That's right, we're gonna be making some bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast burritos on the Blackstone Griddle. 2 burritos with some big tortillas, 5 eggs in this thing, thin bacon, some shredded cheese, and a little bit of butter, and of course, salt and pepper. All right, we're gonna go low and slow on these, so all the way down on a cold griddle. Okay, with the thin bacon, you don't wanna wait too long, so I'm gonna turn it now. It's starting to brown a little bit on the edges. This only took a couple minutes. Let's give it a flip. Yep, I think it's just about done. All right, bacon's done. All right, so I just cracked the eggs right on the griddle. Put a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Again, I still have the burners on all the way low, trying not to burn the bottom of the eggs while cooking through these eggs. And I'm gonna roll these kind of on just top of themselves, kind of like an omelet, and then I'll cut it in half. We'll use one half for one burrito, the other half for the other. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start rolling it now. See it's not sticking. Still, again, it's on low right now. I may turn this side up a little bit more. I'm gonna just throw some cheese down. Can't have too much cheese.
Epic fail.
I forgot the bacon. All right, let's cut it. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast burrito.